In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a website content. Okay, let's say that you are working on a project, can be an assignment or writing a book, and you found a website that contains some of the ideas that you want to use in your project or assignment. Okay, in order to do this, you need an AI app and the website article that you found online. So in this example, I'm going to use Google Gemini. You can use the other AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek. You can use one of them to do this activity. Okay, and of course you need your a Word document or the project that you're working on to add the summary into that project or document. Okay, first thing I need to do is open the website that contains the article. So in this example, I'm going to use an article that I published recently on my website, the Information Society website. Okay, so this is the article I'm going to use in this activity. AI detectors and even as tools for writers, students, researchers, teachers, and others. Okay, so the article is quite long, so I want only the summary, not the entire article. Okay, so in order to do that, you need to copy the address or URL. So you go to the website address bar and copy the uniform resource locator or address. So you right click and click copy, and then open your AI tool. So I'm using Gemini in this example. So I'm going to type the from in the from box. Okay, from is the natural way of communicating with the AI tool that you're using. So I'm going to type this prompt here. Generate a summary of 700 words from this website article. Okay. Okay, next thing you need to do is you need to insert the reference. The reference is the link that you copied from the website, address. So you need to paste that one in. Now the reference is very important because it will direct the AI tool straight to the article on that website. If you don't include the reference, then the AI will prompt you again to type the link. Okay, so this is the reference, very important. Okay, next thing I'm going to add to the prompt to assist the AI to provide the feedback that I want. So I'm going to add this as part of the prompt in. Make sure to include all the main points in the summary. Okay, this is to make sure that the AI includes all the main points and not leaving some of those main points out. It might include unnecessary sentences. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the submit button, which is located on the right hand side of the prompt box. Okay, this is the submit button. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. So the summary should be about 700 words. Okay, 700 words. So you scroll up and down and read through. Check to make sure that whatever you want is all there. Okay. If you want the AI to improve the feedback or organize it another way, you can iterate again by typing another prompt. Okay, so I'll type organize the summary and the or main points and their respective headings and sub-headings. Okay. So organize the summary or main points under the respective headings and sub-headings. So you're telling the AI to organize the summary into some sort of outline that contains the headings and sub-headings. Okay, click on the submit button. And there you are. So the second prompt is the continuation of the first one. You want the AI to organize the content into outline. All the main points under the respective headings and sub-headings, which is useful if you are studying for a test or exam. Okay. Okay, then you can decide to copy both, or you can copy only the one that you need. So I'm going to copy the first example, the first summary. So I'm going to use my mouse. Okay, sorry. Alright. Only that part. So you can press Control and C keys same time, and that should copy the selected summary. Or you can right click and click copy. And then go to your Word document and then press Control and the V key, or you can click on paste and goes in. Okay, so it should be roughly 700 words. Okay, but this one is about 800 words, but approximately 700 words. Okay, so what you need to do is read through any points that you see useful for your project. You can copy that one and insert it into your document that you're working on. So don't forget to paraphrase or cite the source, because the summary came from the original article, which is written by another person. In this example, I'm writing it myself, but if I'm using my own work, I need to cite it too. Okay, because it came from an original article published on the website. And don't forget to include the reference at the end of your document. Okay. Alright, I hope this little activity here helps you to summarize a website article that you want to use in your project. All the best.